folks, I have a really cool tenor banjo to show you today. This is number 856. It's made of cherry and pistachio. Again, this is one of those examples where like I designed an instrument and I knew it would be useful for different things, but the customers have been telling me what it's useful for. So this is one with an 11-inch rim and a 20-inch scale, kind of a normal short scale tenor banjo size. I've had several customers now order these with steel strings tuned G, D, A, E. That's an octave lower than a mandolin or a violin, octave lower than a fiddle, I should say. And so for folks who like to pick fiddle tunes or play that sort of thing, it's been pretty useful. So with the thicker strings to get the lower tuning though, I really have to work hard to get the neck angle set right and the right string gauges and the good action. It's been a cool little puzzle to solve. I kind of intended these for higher tunings than this, but folks have been teaching me that more is possible. So yeah, this one has a cherry rim with no tone ring and a little pistachio cap on the cherry rim. Looks really nice. And cherry neck with some cool jatoba or Brazilian cherry stripes. That's a salvaged tropical hardwood that I sometimes use. I just thought it was cool in this color palette. I used it to bind the pistachio fretboard as well. And I really like the kind of ghostly pistachio fretboard on this one. So yeah, synthetic head, steel strings, GDAE. I usually don't play instruments tuned in fifths, and I usually don't use a plectrum, so it's a little hard for me to play test these, but I do my best. Yeah, and even though there's no tone ring, it's plenty loud and rich, and it takes the low string well. I'm always worried about the low string. So yeah, this is the last customer instrument for November, 856, and I'm really proud of it. A nice lightweight, all wood, American-made tenor banjo. Cheers.